How to change screen recording resolution on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change the screen recording resolution on your Android phone. And here is how to go about it. To do this, the first step is to use the default settings, and that is to open your settings application on your phone or on your tablet. So after opening up the settings application, the next step is to scroll down until you can see display and brightness, or display depending on the one that it is brought to your screen. So after clicking on display and you are brought to the displays page, you can see several options like screen refresh rate, you can see dark theme, you can see brightness level, you can see screen off, this, and then under display you can see options like eye care, font size, inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, lock screen, status bar, network speed display. So the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see screen refresh rate. You just click on it and then you can see the two screen refresh rate options for my own kind of phone model, and we have 90Hz and 60Hz. For me, I'll just remain on the screen resolution I am on currently and leave it that way. For you can change it if you want, and then you are good to go. This is how to go about it. This is how you can change your screen resolution, your screen recording resolution on Android. Thanks for watching and have a good day.